In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Airtable. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time when you need to work with your data outside of Airtable. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, generating reports, or simply organizing your information, exporting data into a CSV file format can greatly enhance your efficiency. Let's start by selecting the Airtable base from your workspace that you wish to export data from. If you're unfamiliar with what a base is, think of it as a database or a spreadsheet where all your tables are stored. Each base contains different tables filled with records and fields. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you've chosen the exact base that holds the data you need. Once you're in the right base, there's a simple trick to exporting your data. Look towards the top of your screen for the down arrow located next to the grid view option. This is where the magic happens. Clicking this down arrow will present you with several options. You're interested in the one labeled Download CSV. This option is essential as CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a versatile file format that's compatible with many data management programs, including Excel and Google Sheets. When you select Download CSV, you might be prompted just to confirm this action by pressing OK. This step ensures you're ready to export and haven't clicked it by mistake. The final part of the process involves deciding where to save your newly exported file. You'll want to choose a location on your computer or device that's easy for you to remember. Saving in a folder designated for exports or similar useful content is often a good practice, especially if you handle multiple files at once. Select the location, press save, and just like that, your data is exported. And there you have it. That's how to export data from Airtable efficiently and effectively, ensuring your workflow remains smooth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Your support helps us continue providing quality content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.